We had 15 inches of snow this past week, and temperatures were so low, in single digits. So I decided to pull the last harvest from my garden. The reason I made this quick video is that I want to encourage all gardeners to do a simple task in January which can help you achieve harvest over a longer period of time. I sowed the seeds of these vegetables last year, and here I am, harvesting them in January. I have turnips and it is really good size. Got 3 of them. I left a few. Let me see if I can find them in snow. Look at this. Found one. Gonna leave a few in to flower for bees in early spring. Then I have this container in here. I covered it in early December with some row cover. I have carrots in this one. Let me pull them out. Wow, this is a decent size, and look at that color. This is cosmic red variety, which is why it has a pink red color. And this was not woody at all. It had amazing flavor, which you truly cannot buy from stores. The turnip was sweet when we sauteed it, because cold weather makes root crops and leaves sweet. Then I have some salad leaves here. I was even harvesting radishes in December. So you see, with a little planning, I'm extending my crop so much. Also, under this row cover, I ran an experiment on cilantro. Looks like a lot of cilantro seeds germinated. Because the temperature is going to drop so much, I will move this container in my garage. I have a small plant light set up here, and the cilantro will live here for winter. We will see how it does. You can see I'm harvesting these from in-ground gardens, as well as from containers. And this is not the first time I'm doing this. I have these harvests every winter for almost past 3 years. What is the secret to it? It is a 2-part process. First is to pick the crops that can survive cold. These are called as cold hardy crops. Carrots, turnips, kale, mustard, cilantro, all of these are cold hardy. Second step is to sow these at the right time. For this, you need a good garden plan, which tells you when and where to start these seeds. You see, even now there are so many options to have your garden just keep producing. And I want to encourage you to try this. With the right kind of garden planning, you can extend your garden season immensely and have harvests like this one. The garden planning strategy I use is covered in great detail in the video linked on screen. I would highly encourage you to check it out, and you will definitely find many useful ideas in it. Winter is the perfect time to plan your garden so that you can act upon it on time. Go ahead and check out this video now. Thanks for watching.